animals get back to their homes. Can you help me? Can you help me? Thank you. Oh, it's an octopus. Does an octopus live in the ocean or at the farm? Yes, in the ocean. There he goes. Yay! Oh, a cow. Does a cow live in the ocean or at the farm? Yes, at the farm. Bye, cow. You live at the farm. Oh, a fish. Does the fish live in the ocean or at the farm? Yes, in the ocean. The fish swims in the ocean. Good job. Oh, I see a pig. I see a pig. Do you think the pig goes in the ocean? Or does the pig live at the farm? Yes, at the farm. Pigs like the farm. Good job. Whoa! Whoa! It's a big whale, the biggest animal in the world. Do you think the whale goes in the ocean or at the farm? Yes, in the ocean. Good job. We're almost done sorting the animals. Oh, the last one is a horse. Does the horse go in the ocean or at the farm? You got it right, at the farm. You did it! I'm so proud of you. You sorted all the animals, and they're so happy to be back in their homes.